The cold weather is upon us, so that calls for hot beverages. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make hibiscus tea, which is a herbal tea, and it's super healthy. So I have 3 main ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. To get started, I'm going to place a pot over medium flame, and I have 2 cups of water, so I'm going to add the water in the pot. Let the water come to a boil. We make hibiscus tea from hibiscus flower, which comes from hibiscus plant. So this is how the hibiscus flowers are looking like, and they are dried. So I got mine from a friend who came to visit and brought for me some herbal tea. So yeah, some hibiscus flowers. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add in my dried hibiscus flowers and simmer on low for 5 minutes. There are many benefits of hibiscus tea. It's packed with antioxidants, fights inflammation, lowers blood pressure levels in your body, and also lowers cholesterol levels, promotes weight loss in our body, among many other benefits. After 5 minutes, this is how my hibiscus tea is looking, so I'm going to strain off the flowers. My hibiscus tea is ready, so I'm going to pour myself some, and the tea has turned out so delicious. I love the sweet and tangy flavor, which makes the hibiscus chai just perfect. So also I have some sweetener over here. I have some honey, and I'm going to add in a slice of lemon. That is going to be just perfect. So stay warm, people, and try out this delicious hibiscus tea recipe. Day by day, it's getting cold and you need something hot to keep you warm. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make lemongrass tea, which is a very easy recipe. So I have some honey, water, and I have some lemongrass over here, straight from my kitchen garden. And this is how the lemongrass leaves are looking like, and I've already washed the leaves. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I'm going to place a pot. Add water, and as the water is coming to a boil, I'm going to fold my leaves. So I'm going to fold 2 times, just like that, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of the leaves, and then I'm going to make a knot, just like that. I love making myself some delicious herbal tea, especially this lemongrass recipe. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to drop in my lemongrass leaves and boil for around 5 to 10 minutes. The tea has a lot of benefits to our body. It helps lower the cholesterol levels in our body, relieves bloating, and also boosts the red blood cells levels in our body, including so many other benefits. After several minutes, my lemongrass tea is ready, and it has a hue of green color because of the lemongrass leaves. I'm going to strain off the lemongrass tea into a jug, and next I'm going to pour myself some. My lemongrass tea is ready, and the aroma is just flavorful, so I'm going to be adding in some honey to sweeten up my lemongrass tea. You can also have the tea as it is. So I love having my lemongrass tea in the morning when I wake up on an empty stomach. Trust me, if you have the tea in the morning, you'll have a very good day. So I hope you'll be trying out this lemongrass tea, and catch you on my next video.